Meditation is a powerful practice that can help you achieve a state of calm, peace, and balance. It can also improve your physical and mental health in many ways. In this video, I will explain why we need to do meditation and what are some of the amazing health benefits it can offer. How it can change your life for the better. Hello and welcome to my channel, where I share with you tips and tricks on how to live a happier and healthier life. Today, I want to talk to you about meditation, one of the most effective and accessible tools for well-being. You may have heard of meditation before, or maybe you have tried it yourself. But do you know what it really is and how it works? Meditation is a practice that involves training your mind to focus and redirect your thoughts. You can meditate on anything, such as your breath, a sound, a word, or an image. The goal is not to stop thinking, but to become more aware of your thoughts and emotions, and to let them pass without judgment. Meditation has been around for thousands of years, and it has been used by people from different cultures and religions for various purposes. Some people meditate to achieve spiritual enlightenment, some to cope with stress, some to enhance their creativity, and some to simply relax and enjoy the present moment. But meditation is not just a hobby or a lifestyle choice. It is also a science-backed way to improve your health and happiness. Research has shown that meditation can have positive effects on your brain, your body, and your mood. Here are some of the benefits of meditation that you should know. Meditation can reduce stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are common problems in our modern society, and they can have negative impacts on our health and quality of life. Meditation can help you calm your nervous system, lower your cortisol levels, and decrease your inflammation. Meditation can also help you cope with stressful situations better, by increasing your resilience and emotional regulation. Meditation can improve your cognitive functions. Meditation can boost your attention span, memory, learning ability, problem-solving skills, and creativity. Meditation can also slow down the aging process of your brain by increasing your brain volume, gray matter density, and neural connections. Meditation can enhance your mood and happiness. Meditation can increase your positive emotions, such as joy, gratitude, love, and compassion. Meditation can also reduce your negative emotions, such as anger, sadness, fear, and guilt. Meditation can help you develop a more optimistic outlook on life by changing your brain activity and chemistry. Meditation can improve your physical health. Meditation can lower your blood pressure, heart rate, cholesterol levels, and risk of cardiovascular diseases. Meditation can also strengthen your immune system, improve your sleep quality, reduce your pain perception, and promote healing. As you can see, meditation can offer you many benefits that can improve your overall well-being. But how can you start meditating? The good news is that meditation is easy to learn and practice. You don't need any special equipment or skills. All you need is a comfortable place to sit or lie down, a few minutes of free time, and an open mind. There are many types of meditation that you can try, such as mindfulness meditation, mantra meditation, guided meditation, or yoga meditation. You can find plenty of resources online or in books that can teach you how to meditate step by step. You can also join a meditation class or group in your area or online that can support you in your journey. The key is to find a type of meditation that suits you best and stick with it regularly. You don't have to meditate for hours every day to see the benefits. Even 10 minutes a day can make a difference in your life. So what are you waiting for? Start meditating today and see how it can change your life for the better. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share it with your friends who might benefit from meditation too. Until next time. Let's practice for 5 minutes by closing your eyes and listening to music.